Hello and welcome to Fluntra, and today we're going to practice 100 everyday English phrases together. This video is for you if you're a beginner or if you want to speak English with more confidence. We're going to use a method called shadowing. It's very simple. You listen to me and then you repeat. That's it. Here's how it works. I'll say the phrase 2 times. You repeat along with me. Don't worry about being perfect. Mistakes are okay. This is practice. The more you repeat, the more confident you'll become. You can watch this video many times. A little practice every day is better than one long study session. Are you ready? Let's begin. Hello, how are you doing today? Hello, how are you doing today? Good morning, it's nice to see you. Good morning, it's nice to see you. How are you? How are you? I'm fine, thank you. I'm fine, thank you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Good job. Keep going. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. You're welcome. Excuse me. Can I ask you something? Excuse me. Can I ask you something? I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bother you. See you later. See you later. You're doing great. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I take a shower before breakfast. I take a shower before breakfast. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I finish at 5 in the afternoon. I finish at 5 in the afternoon. Keep going. You're improving. I cook dinner for my family. I cook dinner for my family. I watch TV in the evening. I watch TV in the evening. I go to bed around 10. I go to bed around 10. I'm tired after a long day. I'm tired after a long day. Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well. Excellent. Let's continue. I live here with my family. I live here with my family. This is my house. Would you like to come in? This is my house. Would you like to come in? I need a key to open the door. I need a key to open the door. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? The door's open. Please come in. The door's open. Please come in. You're doing well. The window is closed because it's cold. The window's closed because it's cold. I'm at home right now. I'm at home right now. It's very quiet in here. It's very quiet in here. Turn on the light, please. Turn on the light, please. Turn off the TV when you're done. Turn off the TV when you're done. Great work. Keep practicing. I'm a student at the university. I'm a student at the university. I work here in this office. I work here in this office. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. I have a meeting at 2 o'clock. I'm busy right now. Can we talk later? I'm busy right now. Can we talk later? Can I ask a question about this? Can I ask a question about this? You're improving every phrase. I don't understand what you mean. I don't understand what you mean. Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please? I need more time to finish this. I need more time to finish this. I'll send an email to you later. I'll send an email to you later. See you tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow morning. Fantastic. You're halfway there. Where is the bathroom, please? Where is the bathroom, please? I'm lost. Can you help me? I'm lost. Can you help me? Can you show me the way? Can you show me the way? I need help with this problem. I need help with this problem. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? You're doing so well. Please speak slowly. I'm learning. Please speak slowly. I'm learning. I don't know the answer to that. I don't know the answer to that. Can you write it down for me? Can you write it down for me? What does this mean in English? What does this mean in English? I'll try again, thank you. I'll try again, thank you. Excellent. Keep going strong. How much is this item? How much is this item? I'd like to buy this, please. I'd like to buy this, please. Do you have water or juice? Do you have water or juice? I'm hungry. Let's eat something. I'm hungry. Let's eat something. I'm thirsty. I need a drink. I'm thirsty. I need a drink. Great job. You're learning fast. Can I have the menu, please? Can I have the menu, please? I'll have coffee with milk, please. I'll have coffee with milk, please. No sugar. Thank you. No sugar. Thank you. The check, please. The check, please. Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards? Perfect. You're more than halfway. I like it very much. I like it very much. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to be here. I'm sad about the news. I'm sad about the news. I'm excited about the trip. I'm excited about the trip. You're doing amazing. I'm nervous about the test. I'm nervous about the test. I agree with what you said. I agree with what you said. I disagree with that idea. I disagree with that idea. That's interesting. Tell me more. That's interesting. Tell me more. I think so, but I'm not sure. I think so, but I'm not sure. Wonderful. Keep it up. What time is it right now? What time is it right now? It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm free today. What about you? I'm free today. What about you? Are you free tomorrow afternoon? Are you free tomorrow afternoon? Let's meet at 6 o'clock. Let's meet at 6 o'clock. You're almost there. Keep going. I have plans tonight with friends. I have plans tonight with friends. Maybe next week would be better. Maybe next week would be better. I'll call you later this evening. I'll call you later this evening. I'm running late. Sorry about that. I'm running late. Sorry about that. I'll be there soon. Just wait. I'll be there soon. Just wait. Excellent work. Almost done. I have to go now. I'm sorry. I have to go now. I'm sorry. It was nice talking to you today. It was nice talking to you today. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Have a good day. See you. Have a good day. See you. See you soon, I hope. See you soon, I hope. You're doing fantastic. Goodbye. Have a safe trip. Goodbye. Have a safe trip. Talk to you later today. Talk to you later today. I'll see you next time we meet. I'll see you next time we meet. Thanks for everything you've done. Thanks for everything you've done. You're very kind. Thank you. You're very kind. Thank you. Amazing. Just 10 more. No problem at all. Don't worry. No problem at all. Don't worry. That's okay. It happens. That's okay. It happens. I hope so. Fingers crossed. I hope so. Fingers crossed. Maybe later. I'm busy now. Maybe later. I'm busy now. I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure about that. You're almost finished. Great work. Can you wait a moment, please? Can you wait a moment, please? Just a minute. I'll be right there. Just a minute. I'll be right there. I'm ready. Let's start. I'm ready. Let's start. Let's go. We're late. Let's go. We're late. I can do this. I believe in myself. I can do this. I believe in myself. Congratulations. You just practiced 100 everyday English phrases. That's a real achievement. You should be proud. These phrases are the foundation of everyday English. The more you practice them, the more natural they will feel. I recommend watching this video again tomorrow and the day after that. Repetition is the key to fluency. If you finished the whole video, please leave a comment below and write the word done. I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me create more lessons for learners like you. Remember, you don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep practicing. Thank you for learning with me today. I'll see you in the next video. Keep going. You're doing great.